Hello guys, I'm Noisy, warm welcome back to the channel. In the last video we installed the brake rotors. Now it's time to go further and install our cassette. We have a brand new SRAM GX cassette and we will install this one on the XD body that we installed in one of the past videos. Okay, let's go with the video. It's very simple. So first we need to put little bit grease on the XD body. Now we'll take it from this up. Okay. Nice. Okay. We are good. Okay, super. Now this thing should go like this. Nice. Now we'll take our special wrench adapter, just put it, it will go like this. Pretty easy. I think it's tight. And in the next video, finally, we will unbox the frame and we will start with the installation of all the parts from the unboxing video. I will say just two words. We have a natural unicorn here, one of a kind. Okay guys, before I finish, I want to say thank you for the support all this time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and see you in the next one. Peace.